We are the Blizzard. Lizard, alright, you just heard one of our originals. It's called the Funkadelic. Before we start, hey, you, your friends, your family, everybody out there, now go to the Ocean Purpose Project Facebook page. Alright, go and like it, alright, and go and watch the stream, support their initiatives. It's really, really very important, right? Okay, that was Funkadelic, okay? Now we're going to have the next song. It's called Smiling Faces, right? Okay, Smiling Faces. In the time that we have right now, all right, you look at the oceans, you look at the beaches. Sometimes we don't take care of it, and you see a lot of rubbish and all that. So do your best, put up a smile and go and pick up all this rubbish and make sure our beaches are clean, man. You can do it. If my grandmother can do it, so can you. Huh? Yeah. All right. Okay, this is called Smiling Faces. It's actually one of our songs that we actually submitted for NDP this year. Anyway, this is how it goes. There's a light in my stream. You can say there's a place I long to be. Last got lighter, light it up. All my friends and family share a space, live in harmony. Smiling faces at the void decks, telling me everything's gonna be alright. Red and white, 5 stars in a crescent, symbol of hope, ideal of our nation. From Jerome to Changi and New York and Sydney, there's no place like you to share all my memories. Smile and hold my hand. Say no to a space I call my home. Light in the valley, I thank my boys and girls, keeping me safe through the night. We are one people, marching on. The world is ours. Let us sail to new shores. From Rome to Changi and New York to Sydney, there's no place like you to share all my memories. Smile and hold my hand. Space I call my home. We may be small, but we're young at heart. All the troubles never tear us apart. Look upon your shoulder, my steps are getting closer. With open arms, with you, my friend. baby. You gotta smile. Smile on, baby. From Jerome to Changi, and New York to Sydney, smile and hold my hand. There's no place like heaven. The city of lions, a space I call my own. Smile and hold my hand. Say a space I call my home. Yep. Let's go. Oh, submission for NDP. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so come to the last song. There's going to be a couple of good performances. Shamrock's going to play next. Okay, and a couple of other good performances. Remember, call your friends, your family, the people you don't like, or whatever you like. Ask them to come. Watch the Facebook Live. Ocean Purpose Project, they're doing a very good job. In fact, I go down to Pasir Ris myself. I go down to the beaches when I see my kid some rubbish or what, we try to pick it up, put in our pocket. Okay, so the next song is called The Psychedelic Breakfast. Okay, I don't know why is it a breakfast. Yeah, this special poetry is dedicated to the Ocean Purpose Project. Thanking Matilda. Wakes, crashes and bomb, the sound of 1,000 sirens here, the milk pots of the rumbling oceans call out the sea stars to infinity. Radiate your thoughts and be in peace, the waters will listen, giving generations before you and me hope. With every soft lap comes a new dawn. Remove your eye and place me with you. Share that drift in turquoise blue. Floating endlessly like a tin man to Mars. Valhalla and back, we surf with the stars. Take not what is yours, the water owe no impurity. Treat her and love her like your mother, and she will nourish you like no other. This life is in a distant meander. This life is in a distant meander. Thank you very much.